Hey friends, how are you? The only thing I can do from my place is just hoping, and I hope everything is going well. So this is the tool which I want to tell about in this video. So this tool is named as Profit Leads. Okay, so in this video I will show you the tool from inside and I will give you a detailed review about this tool. Though this tool is nothing much to say about this tool, this tool is very simple and it can be explained within a short time. Okay, but my second purpose is to give you my bonuses. $7,000 bonuses will be given to you totally free with this tool once you have brought the product from my side. I am an affiliate of this tool. Okay, so I am an affiliate of Profit Leads and my purpose is to show you my bonuses and also show you the product. Okay, so I am using this tool for the second time. Okay, let me clear you one thing. So this is now let me start with a brief about this tool. So this tool is all about getting Facebook leads. Okay, so it will help you to search you and to gather the lead from any niches. Okay, so you can get from gym niche, from dog niche or digital marketing niche, from any cities or any states. You can get the niche, you can get the leads and you can ping them, you can email them to grow your business, to show your services. Okay, so this tool is all about that, and let me now show you the tool from inside. Okay, so this is the dashboard and let me clear you that I have already logged in my Facebook website. Once you have get into this tool, you have to log in to start using this tool. Okay, so there are some statistics, some numeric statistics I think, and let me show you from here. So you have to put any niche, kind of, let me put gym niche and let me put my my state or my place here. Okay, so let me put here my city before. Okay, now let me put my state. Okay, now let me start with get started. It will take a bit time and I think it will take more than 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Okay, so while it is taking time, let me show you from this page. So this is a meme created by me. This meme is in my opinion, this is really funny. Okay, funny to me. I don't know it will be funny for you or not, but I always try to create meme for each and every product, cause or meme or at least any graphics, any other graphics, I always try to create this for each and every product that can explain the product, that can describe the product very easily, and also it can make you smile also. Okay, so that is my purpose. So this is a meme created by me and this is the cover image and these are the ratings of this tool. Okay, but I think it has come. Okay, let me see, let me show you here. So it gives me 280 leads within just few seconds. Okay, from my place, from my city, and also my state. Okay, so you can also put your state, kind of London, kind of I don't know, is it a state or a city? Okay, New York City, and you will be given the leads and you can message them directly. Okay, I have integrated my Facebook, so it is showing my messenger and you can directly email them, you can view page, and you can also you can message them via Google Mail. I think this is Gmail. Okay, so you can email them from other email browser like Yahoo Mail or something like that, or you can do it via using Google. Okay, so let me clear you one thing, that inside front-end product, the only feature you can get in this tool is this feature. Okay, and there is nothing much to show you, and also you are getting one main feature also of this tool is it will give you some really good training, some vital trainings. Okay, once you have clicked on view module, it will redirect you to another page and it will show you so much good trainings with so many resources. Okay, you can go through this and you will be learned more. Okay, so these are the modules and these are the headlines you can check out after purchasing the tool, and these are the two facilities you are getting in this tool. Okay, and this tool is very cheap. Okay, let me show you now the review, the rating, everything. Okay, I left from here. Now let me start with here. So inside feature and facilities it has got 97%, inside performance it has got 98%, inside ease of use it has got 97%, inside value for money it has got 95%, and market hits it has got 93%. So overall it has got 9.7 out of 10, which is an outstanding performance. And let me clear you one thing, I have rated this tool after using it and also after showing its price. Okay, so I am making this video to review only the front end product, not any upsell. Okay, so this is the price of this tool, and you can get this tool within 12 bucks and 95 cents, which is ridiculously cheap for this kind of features. Okay, so you can get it also as an early bird. If you are an early bird, you can get it within just 8 point some bucks. Okay, so you can get it after 6 hours after launching, after the launch started. After 6 hours it will be rising up to 12.95 and then it will be rising to 14.95. okay, so you are getting also 30 days no question no satisfaction money back guarantee. So I think you should nothing to worry. So these are the descriptions you can go through if you want to via visiting this page, and the link of this page is given on the video description. You can go through this page to get my bonuses most importantly, and also the other stuff, the descriptions also. So these are the product owners, Yves Koyo and Sam Man. These two guys are the owners, and it can find from anywhere. You can find the leads all over the world I have mentioned here. So this is really cool, and it costs about 12.95 bucks, and this is justified I think for this kind of product. Okay, so lastly I highly recommend any Facebook marketer to get this tool. Okay, so let me clear you one thing, that these all options like upgrades, like lead pages builder, like lead maximizer, let me show you. Okay, from them. Okay, so license rights, daily income system, these all are upgrades. Okay, so that is why it is not working inside this front end version. Okay, so this is the sales funnel. If you go through it, you can find these names, this daily income system, this license right, this lead pages builder or maximizer. Okay, all of the name you can find here, and these are all are the upsells. So I have also a separate bonus for upsells, and I have a bonus for front end. Obviously the upsell bonus is more valuable than the front end product. Okay, so you can go through the sales funnel if you want to by visiting this page. I don't think I should explain it because it will make the video lengthy, and also I want you to visit this page. This is my purpose also. So this is bonus from my side, kind of $7,000 bonuses. Okay, so firstly let me clear you, I have tried to give you all type of bonuses. Okay, so firstly I have PC games, but it is only restricted to first 10 members. Okay, so these 5 games will be given to you, and these are really popular game once you have purchased it from my side. And if you are not a game loving person, I have so many more for you. Okay, so you are getting 2 case studies. These are live case studies, and you can get easily after purchasing the tool from my side. You will be getting Facebook help, you will be getting YouTube helping hand, YouTube help tool, and also essential plugins and images and musics. Inside images and musics you will be given 4.5k viral images and also 25 royalty free music loops, and you can use them. And you are getting also 5 ebooks, and also you are getting a huge tsunami of software. Okay, so but it is restricted to only first 50 member. Okay, I don't want to give it all of the customers, because those who are coming first, they should start first. Okay, so that is my purpose or process, whatever. Okay, so these are the softwares. I don't want to explain it because the descriptions are given, short descriptions are given. And now let me show you that after 25 bonuses, here is something more for you. Okay, so you will be given a miscellaneous pack. Inside this miscellaneous pack you will be given 10 funnel pages. Funnel pages are the backbones of marketing or online earning. Okay, online marketing earning obviously. So you will be given 10 softwares and also 10 done for you funnel pages within this price, within just 12.95 bucks, from my side totally free. So this was the front-end product price, front-end product bonuses. And let me show you, also you are getting 35 softwares literally inside front-end bonuses. Now let me show you upsell bonuses. So once you have purchased any upsell product from my side, any upsell of this product, you will be given 200 plus softwares, 75 plugins, 1k plus high quality graphics images, 1.46k doodle character images, and 100 miscellaneous product that will be packed with kind of ebooks, kind of case studies, and also something like that you can resell them to other customers, okay, or to your customers or subscribers. Okay, so you will be given also 10 for first 10 members for these PC games also inside upsell bonuses. So what you have to do, that after purchasing the product from my website, you have to go through your purchase history option. So this link, firstly the YouTube description link will redirect you to this page, and then this link, this final call, or there are two buttons also in the page from the upside. You can click them and you will be redirected to the product, to the software. And after purchasing that, you have to go through your Warrior Plus account. Okay, so inside your Warrior Plus account, there will be an option that is named as purchase history option. Inside your purchase history option, this exact blue button is named as access affiliate bonus. So this button can only redirect you to my bonuses. Okay, so I think I have covered up the bonus part, and I have given my bonus overview. I have also covered the software part also. So I think I should sign out for this video. I am wrapping up the video, so bye bye.